Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's up, family? It's your girl Z, and today I'll be doing a quick and easy recipe with you guys. We'll be making 4-ingredient brownies. These brownies are super healthy, all natural, and vegan, so stay tuned. The 4 ingredients that we'll be using today are bananas, chunky peanut butter, cacao powder, and dates. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take an 8 by 8 inch pan and you're going to grease that. I'm going to use olive oil as my preferred choice of oil. I'm going to take my hands and go ahead and rub that in really well, making sure to get in all the corners and especially on the sides. Then I'm going to take my 2 dates and I'm going to give them a bit of a rough chop. I'm adding in the dates to add in some sweetness to this recipe, since we are going super healthy and not adding in any refined sugar. I'm going to take a large bowl and add in all of my bananas. Now get my potato masher and I'm going to go ahead and mash these bananas down. I'm basically mashing them until they are like a pureed consistency. Then you're going to go ahead and add in that second ingredient, that chunky peanut butter. This peanut butter is initially what gives these brownies that fudgy aspect, as well as adding some texture with the chopped pieces of peanuts. And then you're going to stir everything together really well. After that, you're going to add in your third ingredient, which is the cacao powder. This is exactly what's going to give our brownies that chocolate flavor. I would suggest adding this in and stirring very, very well. Stirring this actually takes a little bit of muscle because this batter does tend to get super thick. So make sure you guys add in some of that arm muscle. Last but certainly not least, you're going to add in your dates and stir well. Once all of your ingredients are incorporated, then you can go ahead and pour your brownie batter into your greased pan. Any leftovers on the spoon are definitely safe to eat and finger licking good. Once you got all the batter in the pan, you're going to take your wooden spoon and flatten everything out so that you have batter in all the corners and making sure it's as even as possible. Then we'll throw everything into the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. There you have it, 4-ingredient brownies. These brownies are super easy to make, delicious, all natural, and healthy. So I'd suggest you guys give them a try. Stay tuned for more videos just like this, and thanks so much for watching.